This industrial microwave sterilization equipment for Gynostemma penicillin utilizes penetrating microwave technology to reach the product's interior, ensuring simultaneous sterilization of both the surface and the core without leaving any untreated areas, effectively resolving issues with excessive microbial counts. The rapid low-temperature process maximizes the retention of the herb's natural vibrant green color, aroma, and nutritional saponin content.